Good morning, traders. Welcome to Blue Skies Live's day trading stream. Today is November 25th, 2025. Time is 8:08 a.m. We're about 22 minutes away from the market open. Just want to start the session off and let you guys know that all information contained within this stream is for informative purposes. Please do not take it as financial advice. Please understand that trading and investing can lead to you losing money. So please do your due diligence and make sure that any money you invest in the market is money you're willing to lose. If you'd like to read more of that, you can read our disclosures at BluSky.pro. All right, that being said, good morning. Good morning. Looks like the market has had not much movement. Looked like we were trying to break out of the overnight session, could not break out, and met some overnight resistance. I was hoping we would take out those overnight highs, and we just couldn't get it. We just could not get it. It was just, yeah, it will be a very good morning. All right, all right, Tiff. I see you there. Good morning. Looks like our resident bear is woken up. Ooh, just for me. Nice. Do I get a bear? Am I wearing the bear clogs today? The bear clogs. I am. I'm in for it, man. I am in for it. All right, let's take a look at the heat map for the morning session. I was hearing some news about Meta. Have to see what chips are going to do here in the pre-market. Let's see. Let's see if Coach Mike dropped in any nuggies for the day to watch. I think a couple of days ago he actually had. What's this? All right. Okay, let's go ahead and get our levels up for the morning session. We'll get that started. All right, traders. Gold levels for today's session is a breakout level of 4,150. Your first take profit would be at 4,182. Sell a reversal at 4,122 with a buy the reversal at 4,066. Breakdown spot at 4,038 with your first take profit at 4,005. ES levels for the morning is a breakout level of 6,779. First take profit at 6,814. Sell the reversal at 6,750 with a buy the reversal spot at 6,691. Breakdown spot of 6,662. Your first take profit would be at 6,628. And Q levels are breakout spot at 25,295. Sell the reverse. I'm sorry. Breakout spot of 25,295. Take profit of 25,498. Sell the reversal at 25,124. Buy the reversal at 24,774. Your breakdown spot is 24,600. And your take profit would be at 24,397. Those are your morning levels for gold, ES, and NQ. If you like those levels or would like to see those levels or save them for yourself for the intraday, take a screenshot or better yet, jump into Discord. We have a fantastic Discord with some great traders, including Coach Matt, Coach Backy, and Steve Collegian. So you can catch our great traders, almost every single day. Almost every single day. You can catch me for the morning show, afternoon session with Coach Matt for Power Hour. You can also catch Coach Becky for Tuesdays trade psychology after market close. That's right, team. Every Tuesday you can catch Coach Becky, as well as Steve Collegian will be providing a breakout session after New York lunch today. So those are some free classes you don't want to miss. All right, team. We've got about 17, 18 minutes. We got about 18 minutes till the bell. So let's take a look, see what's happening in the intraday. Let's go over to tickers and see if we've got anything on the hot sheets yet. Odonis, Open, Intel, and what is that last one? AEHL. Okay, so we got a couple of ONDS. I've seen that on there. Obviously, we know Open Door. Let's take a look at Open Door here in the pre-market session. Sitting at $7.74. So that's actually, those numbers aren't accurate because those numbers maybe from yesterday. That's slightly off. Oh, they got BBAI on there now. Interesting. On the 5-minute, NQ just bounced off the 200 EMA. It's a few points above it. All right, let me get some lo-fi music for our viewers on the intrawebs. Let's see. All right, I'll go put here in some news about Google. Take a look at Alphabet. You got a nice rip on Google in the overnight session, it looks like. Got a decent little move on it, although it does look like it's coming in on itself now. Reached out high in the overnight session of $333. Looks like we might get a test of the 200 here at 326. So that'd be one to keep an eye on. Let's look at NVDA and see what it's doing in the pre-market session. Google TPU, the chip made for the AI era. Ironwood. That's interesting. Never seen that. That's why Ace said those chips are no joke, Nacho. Save your OnlyFans stream later. Hey. I got some OnlyFans subscriptions I can give you. Dang it, Tip. Don't be talking about my side hustles, man. Hey, I'm working hard, man. I got kids to feed, broski. I got kids to feed. Those feed pics are good, man. Get that manicure going. Hey, I will put tipped on my toes for you, Tip. I try to die, bro. The wife's home. No, man. No. We're not doing that. I'm just joking. Right where I belong. Welcome to the trade pit, guys. All right. And the fun and game. What is anybody else looking at? You know what? We threw those gold levels up. Let's take a look at gold here in the overnight and let's see what it's done. Not much movement. Still kind of rangy here in the overnight session. Set a low at 4,106. London. You got a London high of 4,152. See what gold does though. Kind of an interesting spot. Might get that pullback here at the morning. Maybe we'll come down into like 4,120 before it continues to rip. Do we have 0 DTEs on gold today is the real question. I don't think so because Tuesday. Won't have it till tomorrow. Oh, Nacho is involved. But he's a working man. They might be somewhat busy here. Yeah, it looked like Nvidia slid down pretty nasty in the overnight session. Just from the, the Sydney Open, it just started to just slide. Dipped even lower. It's sitting even lower than the market was yesterday. You got that London low at 173.69 on Nvidia. Wow. Crazy. Looks like AQ is making a bear flag here. Pretty nasty. Nasty setup going into the open. Maybe we'll have a push down here in the market. Hell yeah. They rug corn too. Hey, don't get corny with me, not ace. You're my ace in the hole. You're not here to be corny. Hey. So you're trading corn? Bitcoin. Oh man, don't talk about scam coin. Don't talk about my scam coin. So mad with Bitcoin. I just hate now that it's just so weird on the range now. I think that's what's got me. We used to have good moves. Peace deal with Ukraine. Well, I think the U.S. has been at peace with Ukraine for a long time. So I don't know if you can. Well, nowadays, I guess you can say anything, right? We just, Trump could say he just brokered peace with, Wakanda. Russia's not going to agree. And even if they do agree, they're not going to make a real peace treaty. They're going to still do what they're doing. You know what? I feel you on that. I have my days like that. Those weapons they built don't even work, bro. And they probably will just make some agreements so that they can get some cheddar and they'll go back to their stuff, They just need an inflow of money, If they get a few billion in, they can just then do whatever they want after because their money will get freed up. Now let's take a look at Big Bear AI. Come on, man, my keyboard is so laggy. It is redunculous. Yeah, it looks like Big Bear AI is dipping as well. All right, let's see what we got. Could be an interesting morning session here. Big Bear is dipping. Wait, let's see. Big Bear AI actually calls and puts them not too expensive. I'm gonna add that to my watch list. I like it. My watch list. UBA. All right, I got them in. How About oh, this does have shares. Okay. Mm. You wonder how cheap IWM puts will be. Okay, let's look at Irene. Irene. Looks like you got a nasty sell. You have an M forming on the. You have an M forming on this, bro. Oh my god, that doesn't look good to me at all. You're not even. You don't even have support on this thing on the lower time frames. I mean, you got a shelf here. You kind of just messed around on. This is. I don't like the chart on the higher time frames. I mean, the good thing you have for you is here on the 1 hour, you're bouncing off the 26. The only kind of saving grace you got. You know, the real question is that here on the 1 hour, what are we going to do here at the open? Will we come down, complete this, build the base here, and then spring up? Or will the sell take hold and this thing is going to go into a sell cycle? Will it start to sell down and will it start to push into the $40? It's the only problem I see with it, you know? You already tried to make the attempt to the 200 on the higher time frames. And now you can kind of see that I don't like this. I don't like this. I mean, on a good note, on the 4 hour, you might have a bull flag. You might have a bull flag forming. So the real question is how far is the pullback going to be here on the 4 hour and the higher time frames? You know, are you going to come back like right here? You still got to dip into the 9 EMA, you know, so you could lose another 40 cents on this thing, you know, before you need the candle structure to change. That's what you need. You need this formation to change from a sell formation to a buy. It just scares me seeing the M, because if I see it, other traders see it. And if they see it, what are they going to do? They're going to trade the M and they'll make it form. I'd be very careful with it. Not my ideal chart layout. And I definitely hate seeing an M if you're going for a long play. I would prefer us to be doing something like this, you know, consolidating here. You know, because really what has happened, because you can see here on the 15 minute, what has happened? It made like a little bear flag, and now you're getting the breakdown of the bear flag, bro. That's the crummy part of what we're seeing. And then look, you got the 200 down here, another $2 below. You know, depends on what happens in this price range. Can we penetrate it and really just start to dump? You know, and it'll really be what what rest of the market is doing. What is this ticker? Let's take a look at it. Tech services, data processing. Okay, all right. So it's the tech services. I don't know. To me, I just don't like it. I don't like the layout for it. If anything, I would be waiting for it to get lower, maybe around that 200, and that's where I would look for accumulation to start, you know, building a position to swing it out. That would be my luck on it. What I'd be keeping an eye at. full rug the open. Take a look at Tesla here. Nope. Oh. We got 2 minutes left, team. We got 2 minutes to the opening bell. Looks like Tesla also hit some overnight resistance. Couldn't break the intraday high. More of an insight session on the overnight for Tesla. It's going to be interesting to see what we do overall. Renkos have already pivoted and showing us a red box. I wonder if NQ will actually dip down to 24,774. Could be a 100-point drop if we dip that low. We're 1 minute away from the open, team. Hey, no worries, Ace. Hey, good luck to you. If any of my viewers out there have a ticker they would like us to watch or take a look at, feel free to ask. Don't forget about our great sales going on right now here in Blue Sky. We've got some fantastic sales going on right now. We've got, let's see, we got our Thanksgiving special. Let's see, Macarum actually dropped a few things, and Instant Funded is now live on Trade of 8 and Ninja Trader. Nice. Up to 25% off, and you can have up to 3 accounts. And ding, ding, ding, there's our bell. Good luck, traders. Let's make some money. Yeah, don't forget we got those launch pads on sale, 50K on sale for $29.50, $29.50. Change your life, traders. Oh, we're getting that move down now. Whoa. Wow. Interesting. The Russell is actually ripping to the upside. Yeah, really, really weird. IWN is just ripping to the upside. Somebody's lying. Yeah, the Russell is like ripping to the upside right now. Interesting. Because ES catching a bid now. Yes, pushing 6,721. NQ is selling though. Really, really interesting. The Russell, ES are ripping to the upside while NASDAQ is dumping. Let us get that discount code. You want that discount code? I will hook you up with a discount code. That is BF, Best Friend 2025. Black Friday. Sorry, it's BF. That's Bravo Frank. Bravo Foxtrot 2025 to get that 50% off sale. Expires November 30th at midnight. So check that sale out. There you go, Nacho. The Dow? What is the Dow doing? The Russell is ripping. See that? Oh my God. Look at the Dow. The Dow is just flying right now. We're still under review. I guess I'm gonna have to launch that independent. Okay. Okay, we can do that. I think the rest of the market is bouncing quite nicely. Can NQ catch a bid here? Why is it lagging this whole move, though? That's the better question. What is ES doing? ES ripping. ES ripping to the upside. ES struggling now. NQ still at that low, sitting at 24,862. Trying to catch that bid. Will it go, though? Yeah, starting to reject. NQ doesn't want to catch a bid. It is progressing to sell. Pushing 24,841. The 5 minute is trying to test the 200 again. It's trying to push. They're trying to push it down into it. Yes, it's trying to bounce. Yes is trying. You're on the 1 minute testing the 9 EMA. Oh, look at that. ES is catching a bid now. It's trying to push that high. So a lot of tech sector is sliding. So got leader of the pack today is ES, the Dow, and the Russell, while NASDAQ is diverging from the rest of the market. Oh, yeah, the market's starting to fade pretty good here now. I think you just broke that 200 on the 5 minute. Pushing pretty slow here, or pretty down here now. Yeah, it's got a nasty candle down now, pushing significantly lower here. For gold, it depends on how much capital and how much drawdown you have available and what your risk management is. You know, on a futures trade, I'll risk anywhere from about 100 to $200 per trade when I take them on like a mini micro. So that's how I do it. Yeah, about 100 per micro. Yeah, gold is dipping. Oh, that's a nasty sell there on NASDAQ. That's gross. Come on. Man, we are dumping here at the open. Nasty sell broke yesterday's orb pretty significantly. So yesterday's prior orb was at 24,723, and we just broke below it. I scooped up some IWN 239 puts. They were 48. They were 32 cents. They're sitting at about 46 cents right now. So we'll see. We'll see if the Russell will continue to dip. Got a nasty engulfing candle there happening. Well, it's not quite an engulfing candle. Like to see if we can get down to the London low. Put these bad boys in the money. Like $2 away from being in the money on my puts. $1.50 to be exact. These things are starting to rip. There's that sell on gold kicking in as well. Sitting in my hands. I feel you, man. I tried to take a long on NASDAQ hoping it would catch the bid, and I just lost on that trade. So yeah, I'm kind of waiting as well. Yeah, I myself took a little hit. We'll see though. Hey Marty, how's it going? Welcome to the TikTok stream. Hope you're having a good morning. I'm up 60% on 70% on these puts now. I am at the money. Wait, I'm still two out the money. What am I talking about? I'm $1.27 out the money now. Woohoo! Oh my god, the market is just dumping. And don't forget, team, tomorrow is the pre-Thanksgiving trading session. So tomorrow will be the last day to trade before the Thanksgiving holiday for Thursday here for those of you guys that are trading here in the States. So just be aware of that. We will have some different hours. Trade coaches will not be here on Thursday. I'm not sure if Coach Matt is moving his Thursday schedule. So, we'll keep you posted on if anything changes. Let's see, Coach Matt. So Coach Matt will only be with us for Power Hour Tuesday and yesterday and today. Yeah, I like it. We've got a great schedule going on now. And you know what? I'll be here with you guys Friday morning. How about that? If you guys want me here on Friday morning, I'd love to trade Friday morning with you guys. Yeah, now Coach Matt said it's what was it? Data giving. You know what? I'm here for a cash grab Black Friday. Market is trying to catch a bid here. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Don't stop me out. Oh, you got to be kidding me, man. I just got stopped out on that stupid trade. Oh, I made a penny per contract. Wow, that was volatile. That was a volatile move right there. Oh man, they stopped me out. Man, they stopped me out right on that. That is so frustrating. Wow. Wow. Super volatile morning, as you guys can tell. Bro, I wish I was frozen. Look at that. Look at that reversal in the market. Jeez Louise. What, they're gonna reverse the reversal? Oh my God. A volatile morning. And Q is testing the prior day orb. Let's go up to the 15-minute. Let's draw out our orb. It's going to be a fairly huge range, though. That is a gross looking 15-minute candle up. Yeesh. It's gross. All right, let's get back to the task at hand. Let's set up that orb. So if you guys are new watching, each and every single morning, I utilize a orb opening range break. So I use the 15-minute time frame. We mark off the top wick and the bottom wick of the first 15-minute opening candle. We take trades off of that. Right now, we're testing the bottom of that orb. Wow, look at the Dow. Dow looks like it wants to recover so fast, right? So fast on the Russell that it just, man, it didn't give 2 cents about what the market had to say. It was like, sell, fine. Buy, yes. Now it looks like on the 10-minute, it's going to make an engulfing candle on that prior sell candle. Let's take a look at Scam Coin this morning and see where we're at. Bitcoin putting in the sell for the morning session. Let's just see how much it dipped. Was trying to pick the bottom and got ran over sometime. That makes two of us, bro. That makes two of us. I tried to catch the bottom and I got annihilated. I got smoked on that. Well, it looks like we're going to start ripping to the upside again. I don't trust this. I don't trust this move at all. Great job. Great job on that move, my friend. We're taking a look here, trying to figure out what we're going to do. And Q put in a 5-minute engulfing candle to the upside too. Crazy. It's crazy. There's gold. Holding the 200 on the 9 right now. Like, I'll show you the 5, what it looks like. Engulfing candle right there. Didn't even think twice about it. It's crazy. Man, that's so upsetting. Looks like we're getting a V-shaped recovery here on the market. Here in the morning session. It's crazy. All right, wait, did I set this up on the NASDAQ already? Yep. So right now, NASDAQ is within the orb right now. So let's see if it's going to test the high. Let's move over to ES, take a gander at ES, set up its orb as well. Oh, look at that. Price consolidated around the blue guy. See, even the market loves the blue guy. All right, where am I? All right, the way down here. Okay, so on ES, your orb high would be 6,730. Your orb low would be 6,701. IWN starting to rip now. Got manufacturing index numbers here dropping shortly. I ended up picking up IWN 224 calls. I scooped them up for about 15 cents. They're sitting at 24 cents right now. So I'm up 60% here now. Let's see if we can get that rip. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. These things are ripping. I'm up 100% on these calls now. 112%. Holy Toledo. Come on, send it, IWN. Just break it. Break it out. Come on, go push it. Just do it. Stop. We're at the top of this range. Come on. Come on, Russell. Passing the 200 on NQ now. Trying to reject. Oh, don't you do that. See what the Russell is doing. Not looking too sharp. Come on. Come on, break out. Push it. Don't give it up. Yeah, not looking too sharp for that upside play now. Looks like it wants to give it up on the Russell. The market wants to turn again. Holy moly. I'm gonna raise my stop. Kind of choke this up. There we go. We're out. All right, 31% up for the day. And that's it for me for the day. No more options trading for the rest of the day. Locked in some profit, did what I was supposed to do. Now let's make some futures trades. How about that, team? We need some futures trades here. We have not made I haven't made a good futures trade yet. My futures trades have been lackluster. Come on. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Russell is finding the 9, wants to stay here. It's a nasty 15-minute candle on ES. Look at that. There's no buyer interest on the top of that wick, that on the top of that candle. Nice. Congrats, my friend. Congrats. I'm trying to go green. Trying to get green in the futures. Green in options, but futures. Estoy muy rojo. Good Lord. Wow. Oh, man. Yeah, I tried to short the Russell and yeah, down like $700, $730 right now. Got to figure out something. And I just got stopped out on a short on the Russell. Yeah, and it doesn't really make a difference because I couldn't get it paid out of this account anytime soon. I haven't had a green day in my PA, so it's not like I could get paid out anyway. So I don't really even care. I don't really care, and it's not real money, so it's what difference does it make? That's some gross candle action. Look at that. I don't want to do nothing. Google moving to the upside. You can see that on NASDAQ. Just doesn't want to sell. It's crazy. Wow. What a shame. Let's take a look and see what gold is doing. Gold is actually catching a little bit of a bid here. Looks like gold does want to move though. Looks like it wants to catch a bid to the upside. Testing the EMAs though. I'm done with using real money for the day. I already made my morning trades. I'm not gonna trade my real money anymore on the latter half of the session. I'm gonna go back to the way I used to trade, because I'm losing money in the afternoon session, and I never used to like to trade at the New York session. Second in progress. Well, I'm just taking my time right now, man. I am taking my time right now. Yeah, it is still early. If I blow an account, I blow an account. Just part of the game. So you gotta have more than one account so all your eggs are in one basket. You don't cook yourself on it. You got a new lease on a McLaren. What's a McLaren?
Aniden sıcak bastı. İster istemez halk evde duramıyor çünkü Meltem de esse, kuzeyden de esse muhakkak çok sıcak.
Look like a bull flag though on the 5 minute for the Russell. McLaren is the fancy kind of car that Rowan Atkins drives. I don't know, man. Yeah, it does look like they want to move it to the upside. Some buyers at 723. And the market is trying to catch a bid. NQ's trying. This struggle bus. Take a look at what gold is doing. Kind of stuck inside the EMAs right now. To me, it looks like the market wants to sell, though. It doesn't look to me like it wants to rip to the upside. I mean, the Russell looked like it, but even then, I still don't trust that. Under the 9 EMAs, that doesn't look good for upside for me. Man, my charts are so wonky right now. Let's get a short on this. Running man to the airport for Thanksgiving trip. Have a good weekend, all. Mucho bravo, everyone. Hey, big fisherman, have a great day. Have a great Thanksgiving. Have a great Wahoo day. So get your grub on, my friend. Hope you have a good Thanksgiving. And we'll see you on Friday or Monday. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That just reversed on me so ugly. Oh my God. That just. My God. That. Oh, darn it, man. We're so wicky here in the morning session. I'm getting like wicked out like every time. A nasty morning. Let's get out of this. It's not working. Looks like the bulls are trying to take the market. Can they get it though? Can they rip it off this low and push us up? Bay Fisherman was looking for long side. It doesn't look like it wants to go though. Come on, do it. Send it in, Q. Come on, just do it. Let's get us to that London high. on, NQ, do it. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Dang it. Come on, buy this thing, man. Do something. I get stopped out again. I tried to go long on this and I just got stopped out. I just closed the position. All right. Man, my lag on my chart is disgusting. Come on, dump it. Come on, send it. Tesla drilling down 5% for the morning session. Now we're getting that sell here on NQ. Come on, just do it. Stop fighting it. Don't stop me out. Come on, don't stop me out. I got my stop at 24,738 on my short, but I lost so much money today. I'm trying not to blow this eval. I'm down 1.5K, so I've only got 6, 7, 8. I got $300 left before I blow this eval or PA. I'm just, really trying to be careful right now. Yeah, I just got stopped out on that. I'm trading minis. I don't have any choice. If I trade a full-size con, I'll blow this account. My charts are so freaking laggy. Like, by the time I get the position on the chart or everything, by the time the position shows up on the chart, the price has already moved from when I put the order in. So I'm having just some nasty issues right now with my trading. Okay, can't open another browser either. Bro, I have so much Mughal. I got so much junk running on my computer now that I never had before. What do you want me to do, bro? I have 32 gigs of RAM already. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 10 charts. I have 10 charts up. I've got a YouTube stream up. I've got my news feed up. I've got Webull up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 browser sessions, Slack, OBS, and I've got TikTok Studio running. So what do you want me to do tomorrow? What would you like me to do, broski? I'm really sorry, but you know, I've got an Intel Core i9. You know, I've got a good system. I'm running every single thing I need to do because not only am I streaming, I'm managing the whole production of the back end of the stream. So it's not like there's some third person doing it. I'm doing that job. I'm streaming and I'm trying to take trades in the day. So you have to understand is that I'm really doing like 3 functions. I'm trying to act as a trader, streaming with you guys, and managing the production of the stream. So yeah, I mean, it kind of stinks that I'm stuck with, you know, I mean, I'm trying to pull up the system manager right now just to, you know, paste in my specs so you could see them. But, you know, unfortunately, I mean, my system is like taxed big time. I do have a hot assistant. Her name is Coco, and my wife. Jeez, I couldn't even get a screenshot on my computer. That's how slow it is right now. This is disgusting. Why do you think yeah, I don't know how I'm doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it tomorrow. I'm really not, man. You couldn't imagine. I am not doing it. I wish I was, but unfortunately, yeah, man, you know, it's always like some kind of obstacle I'm kind of dealing with and stuff, you know. Jeez, are you going to give me my screenshot at any point? At any point, are you going to let me do a screenshot? So frustrating. Oh my God. I didn't want to screenshot all that. Nacho, you know what? I would prefer that versus mine. I can't even take a simple screenshot. That's how lagged and delayed my PC is right now. I can't even do anything. By the time I move my chart, it is all like jacked up. You know, a couple of my trades, as soon as I took them, price was in a different spot than what I could see. Like what I saw, it was not there. And look at that. There's another screenshot and I can't take it again. I'm still waiting. Look at that. This is disgusting. Let's see if they'll actually paste. I can't even paste it. I have no idea. I'm tired of trying to. I'm not. Man, you know what? I wish I could show you, but unfortunately, my PC is just all jacked up. I can't even paste the screenshot. That's how messed up my computer is right now. So I don't even know what to say, broski. Sorry, man. I'd show you how terrible it's looking, but I can't even do that. You can kind of see on how delayed my chart is. Look how slow my chart is going. It's probably the TikTok Studio because that thing is terrible. I think it's such a garbage app. But hopefully we're under review, so I should be able to bring on my OBS to stream through Restream. When that happens, I will be so happy because you know what? TikTok is just ruining my computer. That's actually what I need to do. I need to move Discord over to my PC or to my phone because it runs like complete garbage on my PC. Like it eats up so much resources. And then if like if I try to do a screen share, with all this other stuff I have running, my PC runs even worse, which is really sad. Which is really, really sad, because I would imagine that my PC would actually be running a lot better than any of this. But yeah, it's even to say I got an NVIDIA 2950 Super. I mean, it, for what I'm doing, it should hold it. It's crazy. It is criminal, man. I would buy another, you know, in all honesty, I would buy another computer or buy more equipment, but I just can't afford to buy anything like that. You know, I'd love to make the stream better, but I just don't. I don't have that kind of budget, man. I really don't have that kind of budget. I get some cool stuff. I'm trying to get the guys to where we can move OBS over to a server. If we can move it to a server and I put my stream into that, it would probably save a lot of resources on my PC. You know, at least then I could run I could run TikTok on that, and I wouldn't have to worry about it taxing my system, because I mean yeah, I don't know. I need to get it like a third or a fourth job, man, probably. You know, because my 2 jobs ain't cutting it. Yeah, you're probably right, bro. OF is where I need to be. There's so many puts on the SPY right now. It is crazy. I believe it, man. NQ trying to test the EMAs, although we are inside the orb. So we're right in the middle of the orb range. On the 5-minute, looks like NQ is testing VWAP. Morning, Judge. How's it going? Get it? Let's see that actually went. Oh, it didn't even go. Oh, there it is. There's my PC specs right there. It only took me like 20 minutes to get those. Ha! So dumb, man. Nice. Good luck, bro. Good luck. See if we can make this 5-minute green. I think it should push up. Looks like it. There's a nice long off that. Put my stop limit in the money. Sorry about that, Amaro. Yeah, Google's ripping this morning. Let's take a look at it. Look at, there goes the Russell. Damn, why did I get stopped out on those calls, man? Nasty rejection on Google. That's right, 1 point at a time. Let's go back to my NQ trade. Am I still in it? I am. Not digging this. It's not doing what I needed to do. I'm going to go ahead and get out. Yeah, gold and silver don't have 0 DTE, so not my day to trade those for sure. And don't forget, if you guys are looking for a schedule this week, I just dropped that in chat for you guys. Our streaming schedule this week is inside the Discord chat for you all. So if you guys want to follow your favorite coaches, there you go. We got Coach Steve coming on after New York lunch. That's going to be exciting. I'm sure he'll call out some trades. You can catch him at 1 p.m. Eastern. That is 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Followed by Coach Becky and Coach Matt for Power Hour this afternoon. So be sure to catch them. Hold this flag here and start moving up to the upside, or what? Google's still selling though. Take a look at the heat map. Kind of a mixed heat map right now. Sounds like Meta, Apple really holding us up, and well, Google being green on the day is definitely helpful. Let's move to a different chart. God, this is so slow. I can only imagine on stream it probably looks even slower. Look at that. It won't even move. That's how bad it is. What is eating up my resources on my PC so bad? Oh, Meta to use Google servers. That's probably why. I don't know. I don't like the structure though. Oh, looks like I am inactive on TikTok Studio. Got 5 minutes to acknowledge that I'm actually here. I'm not a recorded message. I am not a robot. Hey, TikTok, I am not a robot. But if you allow me the slider, I would definitely like to confirm that for y'all. But oh well. I can't even get the acknowledgement box to pop up on the TikTok app. That's how much garbage it is. I don't think you could fade the news, to be honest with you, Jaja. Right now, it looks like the market is bouncing. So if you were short right now, you'd be getting smoked, man. As usual, you know, the bears ain't got no mojo, my friend. I don't even want to take a trade because my PC is so laggy, you know. By the time I'm taking trades, I mean, it already kind of stinks to be down 1.5K and what I'm 6, 7, 8. I'm like $300 away from blowing my PA, you know. I've only had it like 3 days, you know, and with the technical issues I'm having for the day, I can't even trade it, you know. I can't even slide through the stats of my trading. It is just all locked up. Like I can't do anything with it. This is like my I can't even take a screenshot, man. There's no use in me even doing this. This is so sad, man. I'm just not even gonna bother trading on my PC because I can't even get it to run. I can't even get my trading app to run. I can't even get TikTok to give me the prompt so I can tell it that I'm actually still live. So frustrating. Wow.
That's right.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. You just gotta bend your knees.
I have no idea what's going on with TikTok. It is like completely frozen. Has frozen up my system. I don't want to mess with it because I don't want to crash the rest of the programs I have running. I don't even know if the stream is still up or not. I just have like TikTok like with the timer video. But it has said 4 minutes 52 seconds for an astronomical, for longer than 4 minutes, I would assume. Yeah, this is. It doesn't even show anything. What a piece of junk, man. Oh, this is such garbage. I'm just gonna force close this because I can't even get it to run. Come on, get out of here. And I can't even get. This thing is probably gonna crash my whole PC. Is it working? I can't even see the window. I've been stuck with the form. Oh, it actually moved this a minute, a second. It moved a second. I'm just having terrible problems with my PC right now, though. I can't do anything. Everything is all frozen. Why am I taking a screenshot? Well, we already know that TikTok is spyware, so, you know, I'm infected now. I'm infected now with TikTok's spyware. I mean, I don't know if China wants to know what I'm doing. I wouldn't want to know what I'm doing. I wouldn't care. I can't do anything. Yeah, my whole screen is just super laggy, and I can't get TikTok to do anything. We'll just go ahead and just keep the chart here on NASDAQ and just keep an eye on it, since, you know, we're just kind of in this range. I was going to use my phone and look at the charts on my phone, because my phone is working so much better than my PC right now. Yeah, if any of you guys see my TikTok stream die, please let me know, so that way I can just force close the app, because it's still stuck at that 4 minutes 50 seconds now. The countdown is so slow on it. Cool. Thank you, sir.
Do you realize that Tuesday is Washington's birthday?
Frankly, I hadn't given it much thought. Would you like me to bake a cake or something?
Well, how about a cherry tree pie? Isn't it funny, of all the wonderful things Washington did?
Top of the hour. That is right, Amaro. We're at the top of the hour. We're 30 minutes into the London 4-hour session. So don't forget, got the London traders in their last 30 minutes of trading. You got the China virus courtesy of TP Link. Lucky for you, the government would like to know, which is why they forced to sell. Probably. Probably. Feels like it. I'll buy this though. Not buying this at all. I think this is just them messing with us. Yeah, my stuff is still so slow. I can't get anything to go faster. Chart is moving super slow. Where is... Shit. I really don't even know what is happening. Oh, TikTok closed. TikTok actually finally, I guess, took a dump and just crashed out on me. I'm still using like so much of my resources on my PC. It is working better though. PC is working better. But yeah, it does look like a TikTok crash. Let me see if I can get, oh, why did I do that? See if I can get a new window up and get into that app. Kind of looks like the market is just slowly grinding to the upside. Looks like it wants to catch a bid. Just don't know if it can. Let me see if I can start up TikTok Studio again. Okay, forget that. Tired of messing with this thing. Nightmare with that thing. Oh. Yeah, that didn't work. Take a look at what gold is doing. The whole market overall is just kind of consolidating. Looks like ES is actually trying to catch its bid, but struggling as well. Struggling below the orb high. That might be good for NASDAQ then. Maybe the NASDAQ will catch up. Play some catch up, get to that 200 up above on the 5-minute. That would be at 24,899. Although Renkos have not put up a green box for the upside yet. So don't really see that in the cards. Do not want to see this. Why am I looking at this? Creator hub. Maybe it's in here. It's useless. Trying to get under the 9 EMA now. Oh, let it go though. Crummy overall market day. Yeah, there's no direction. Definitely. Yeah, I'd mentioned that. I was like, today is like kind of like my last day of trading. I really don't want to trade tomorrow, but I will be here with you guys. But yeah, the pre-Thanksgiving washed up, man. Washed up. People are traveling, you know? You got these guys traveling and everything else. They're not in the market. They won't be in the market tomorrow. Probably might even have a pretty flat close a day. You can see that on the order chain, you know, under 1,000 orders on that 5-minute candle. Oh, we just hit 1,000 orders. I'm right there with you, Omaro. I'm right there with you, bro. If anything, I'll be traveling solo. Oh, we could just hope that next week's a better week for us than tomorrow, you know? We can only hope that next week offers a better session for us. Maybe Friday will be good. I don't personally think Friday will be good though. If anything, it'll be early. It's gonna be early that the market will be good, but then by lunchtime it'll just go to GD. You just end up with the degens in the market trying to make money. I think we will have a center rally. I think we're set up for it. You know, we got those 25 basis point cuts coming. So that gives me hope for it. Okay, my VPN is off. Good. Yeah, I definitely think we'll have a center rally. They're trying, you know. Fed's trying. You know, you got a lot of people trying to contribute to make that a reality. Now, will that be a reality is a better question. Buddy. I like this one more though. That's the one I prefer. I'm trying to chat up Steve, trying to see if we can get that wisdom from him. Trying to see what what his crystal ball has in store. Rug below 777. Maybe. You've been waiting. Market's just not giving it to us today, though. See how much resources I got being used right now. How can Google be using up that much resources? I got one chat window open. How can that one chat window have so much resources being sucked up by it? Oh, that's much better. Oh, but this is labeled. And there goes gold catching a bid. Trap house? Feels like it. Chop City boys. Oh, yes, it is. It is a lot of chop suey. It's a chop suey morning, ladies and gentlemen. Getting smoked here. I don't know what that is. That doesn't look like anything meaningful to me. Don't know what we're supposed to do that. Looks like my mother-in-law stopping by the house, I think. Yeah, those are my in-laws coming on by. That's nice. Nice little surprise here in the morning. I wonder if they're picking up somebody. They must be picking up a baby. Absolutely, I'm cooking up a turkey. Oh, it looks like my niece is here. Let me go grab my niece. I'll be right back. All right, team, I'm back. Did you say bebe? Hey, don't call me baby. I charge extra for that. All right, looks like the market's gonna finally catch a bid here. Will it move? Will it move to the upside? Will this fart in the wind finally go? I don't know. Don't know. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. No babies. Ugh. Yeah, that's what it looks like to me. It looks like they might finally be catching the bid on the market. Looking on that expansion to the upside here. We're about 9 minutes away from the close of the London. Hope you guys have enjoyed the morning session with Coach Riz. Sorry, team, we have not had a lot of great trades this morning, but it has been a very choppy morning. But you know what? The holiday weekend will do that. We will get that evaporation of volume. And look at the ES. ES is a beautiful candle there on the 15. Go to the 9 minute, take a look and see what that looks like for us. Well above the orb high. Looks like NQ might even be making that test of the orb high as well. Can we catch a pullback on this to see if we could make an entry on this? Or did we miss our entry into this uptrend? That's a better question. Remember, 90% of breakouts fail. So let's see if that holds true here. Okay. Was that failure? Now, can we come back down to the 200? Maybe the 9 before we go, just to give us that confirmation that it is time? That's what I would be looking for. But if they want to send it, they're going to send it. I missed my opportunity for my pivot trade to expansion. So, we're in that time zone though. It could kind of go. Take a look at gold. Look at RTY. Good dude. I knew we could get up there. 246 calls on IWN are sitting at about 5 cents right now. Could we get that crazy expansion, that move up, if the market's going to start to rip? That's what I'm really asking myself right now. The pullback we were looking for. A little bit of that rejection, and just like I said, there's that pullback on NQ. Let's try to take a long off the 90 MA. Let's see if that holds. Put our stop at the 200.
See, pure fuckery.
Who was that? Oh, Steve's chart. Oh yeah, his chart did come up. Oh, and I just got stopped out on that. Huh. That's cool. Steve dropped his chart with us in chat. You know what? Let me refresh my hot sheets because my hot sheets are dead.
Order filled.
Well, that's no bueno. I can't manage this trade at all. Let's see if I can open up this chart now. Oh my God. Why? I'm not going to use that on my phone. All right, team, and that concludes our London Power Hour team. That's right. London Power Hour is exiting here in about the next 40 minutes, and that will conclude their trading session. Now, they will have their overnight action, so they will be open their normal standard hours. So those traders looking for those after hours trading, hey, keep an eye peeled. Although I wouldn't expect much movement in the overnight going into the holiday. So in my opinion, this is our last good trade day until possibly Friday morning. I've been having trading view issues all day. And then I logged in on Project X on my phone and I took a trade in a sim account, not even my real account. I didn't realize it either. Worthless. How upsetting is that? Oh my God. Yeah, I didn't realize it. Oh man. That's the way it always goes though. But it's all good. I was trying to figure out how to manage my stops and stuff from my phone, and I can't do it. Oh, okay. Okay, so you double click it. Okay. Triple click it? Is that it? Let's see. Okay. Let me double check. Got it. Triple click. Okay. And then I can get to it. Okay. I got it. I got it. That's kind of cool. Wasn't able to close a partial of my position in the AM, taking profits. Gotta love it at times. Tell me about it, bro. It's super frustrating, man. I was having so many problems that by the time my order got placed and it came up on my screen, like price, my entry wasn't anywhere where I thought it was supposed to be. You know. So, oh man, I tell you, life of a trader, never easy, right? Never easy. On the bright side, we got Thanksgiving in 2 days. Oh my God! Look at that expansion on NQ. Why couldn't I have taken that in my PA, man? Why did I have to take that in in an even faker account? One that didn't even mean anything. Turkey party. Oh man, I can't wait. I got my turkey like thawing out in the refrigerator. It is ready to rock and roll. I can't wait to cook my bird. My family loves my turkey. I've been cooking turkey for, oh man, he was 18. Last like 18 years. Maybe like last 15. Yeah, last 15 years I've been cooking turkey. You want some brisket for Thursday? Nah, man. I got my little recipe and my style that I cook my bird in, and yeah, it comes out delicioso. Yeah, but Anon, I think I'm gonna have to just get another PC. Running all this stuff is just, I just don't have my system just doesn't have the resources for it all to run TikTok Studio and all that. I'm definitely struggling. Either that, or I'm gonna have to get like I'm gonna have to upgrade my RAM and maybe move like to 64 gigs of RAM. Maybe that might help. I just don't know if the video card is really what's not helping me either, because I've got that older NVIDIA in here. I've only got 32, but my system's a few years old. It's like 4 years old, but it was the best I could get from Alienware. At the time, it was hidden, but like now with so many programs I'm running, it's just killing me. My WN looks like it's just flagging to go. Man, I can't believe I took the trade in the wrong account. How upsetting is that? Got it. It's so awesome. I'm like all positive in a not even in an eval. It's not even an eval. It's worse than that. Oh my God. It's so upsetting. Oh. I wonder if I'll just get a crummy New York lunch. And Q looks like it wants to form an M. Let's see if we can take the M. I'll put a tight stop on that. Top of that candle. Let's just see. You know, I wouldn't mind running Linux now. I wouldn't mind running Linux. I can run it, no problem. You know, I can run Wine or whatever I want so that, you know, I can run Windows apps native. But Microsoft Office now, I mean, you can run it natively in Linux, so it's not even a big deal. Nice. Yeah, I've got a VM I have in a data center that I use, that I just use, what is it? What do I connect to it through? I use the Thinlick. So I connect to it through Thinlick. But the only thing I have sent over is just a browser session. I don't bring over the whole desktop environment. So I connect to it and it just sends me over the Chrome browser encapsulated. Nice. Market's still getting that push up. Getting some nice push up action here. IWN just kind of consolidating. I want to see IWN go for that previous month mid though. I want to see if we can get up to 246 on IWN, but the small caps are going to do it. Small caps and the Dow have been strong on the morning session. We shall see. There's that breakout on NQ now. It's going for it. About 20 minutes from New York lunch, I'll be closing my morning session at the start of New York lunch. We're having some technical difficulties. So if you guys are wondering, I will be hosting the morning show with you all now. So we'll be doing, we'll be starting at the pre-market and we'll be running all the way to New York lunches. Most of you guys know I don't see usually a lot of action happen after that point. So kind of call it a day there, save our energy for that afternoon session. If you guys want me in longer, be sure to let the support know. Send them a ticket and let them know, hey, you want Riz here all day. A 24-hour stream. You really want to see me lose you really want to see me lose it, right? 24/7, man. This ain't the Truman Show, brother. This ain't the Truman Show.
Exit pending. Chasing is high risk.
Exit pending. Chasing is high risk. Good to know. Dude, IWN is doing not much of anything. Not pushing up like the rest of the market. That's for darn sure. Hey, Nacho, I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you. And keep testing the orb high now. Let's go. You can kind of see that 45-degree break right here that happened. Come on, do it. Come on, go. Go, go, go, go, go, go, go. Do it. Kenny has break 750. Why am I doing this?
F2 on the 8s.
And the blue detective is called 888. Take a gander at IWN. That's where I want to get to right there. Getting long signals here on the market now. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, Bitcoin might actually be catching a bid. But Bitcoin ain't going nowhere. Bitcoin ain't going nowhere. This is just testing that trend line, but it ain't going nowhere. Make buyers think that it's going to start to bounce and then just toilet them. There goes NQ rejecting the orb, 15-minute orb. Struggle bus here. IWN is testing the 9 EMA here on the 5-minute. Not a lot of volume though, selling. About 1,000 orders on the chain. This might just be a little pullback. Might just be a pullback for the reload. We shall see though. Take a look at Rankos. Yeah, see, Rankos, we still have not printed a green box. It's trying, though. It's trying. And its darndest. Still a pretty nasty, choppy session, though, team. No bueno. Definitely not liking this price action here in this morning session. The Black Friday special now up there. So you guys are looking for it. You guys can take advantage of that now. All right, looking good, looking good. The Renkos is still proving to be correct that this is just a this is just fuckery here in the early morning session. Looks like even Steve Charts is showing downside as well on his Renkos. Well, there's an expansion to the upside. Let's go. I know how my calls are. I just opened the wrong thing. He? Well, looks like we're gonna go for that 750 you mentioned, Nacho. Can we break out though? I think we can. You got resistance at 754 though. So how much further will we get past that? 8 minutes away from the top of the London from New York lunch. And don't forget, we've got some great sales going on. We got a 50% off sale. That's right, 50% off. You can get started trading for as little as $29. That's right, $29. You know, that's almost like 2 meals at McWeggos. You know, you get a McDonald's, you know, you can change your life for as little as $29.50. Make sure you use code Bravo Foxtrot 2025. That is the code to use for your checkout. Like I said, launch plans, 50% off, $29.50. Crazy. Fantastic sale. Long signal still holding. What's IWN doing? A whole lot of nothing. IWN is doing a whole lot of nothing. Well, that's great for you. That's awesome for you, bait fisherman. You know, I've been dealing with technical issues all morning long, and heck, I'm only down 1,400 for the day. What do you think, man? Pretty good, right? I'm $400 away from blowing my new PA. We'll make it up though. I'm not even worried. Not even. Don't even bother me. Just at the break even and left a couple of hours, 2 points short. Yeah, I know, man. You took off, man. You took off. You went to the airport and back. I'm hoping that my charts will finally start working. Man, you know, since my charts weren't working good with all the junk I've got running on my PC, I try to take the trade on my phone. And when you know it, I took it in the wrong account. Some worthless account that doesn't mean anything. It's not even an eval. It means less than anything to me. Super upsetting, man. Super upsetting. And then I took a single trade just a minute ago and I scalped $30 off of it. What a joke. What a joke in the morning session, man. I cut out last night because I was struggling in the overnight. I was down like $200, but then my charts were just so jacked this morning that the minute I took my trade, it was like, boom, I was down like $200. I'm like, I'm in mini micros. Like that's the whole reason why I'm using this, you know, so I can manage you guys, manage all the streams, answer chat, you know, do the ads, try to take a trade for myself. You know, never in my favor, man. Never in my favor. Always a uphill climb. It's all good though, man. What difference does it make? Nah, it's better at the casino, bro. It's more fun. I would have just liked to have been able to take the trade in the right account, or be able to take the trade at all and it be where I expect it to be, not, 10 or 15 points somewhere else when I take my entry. It's absurd. Such a joke, man. Well, I'm just glad to see you're making millions of dollars. I'm glad to see somebody is. I'm always glad to see that you guys are doing fabulous out there. I saw them, but I have like so much stuff I'm going through. Like, yeah. I'm a little inundated with a lot of stuff that I'm kind of managing and stuff. So yeah, I'm sorry. I did see them and stuff. But I mean, that was a few days ago. What did I think of the screenshots? They were great screenshots, man. You did a great job on those. Looks good. Looks good. Your trade system is working great for you. All right, team, we're about 1 minute away from the New York lunch. Don't forget, we got a whole lot of trading day left. Got Coach Becky coming up at the end of the day. She'll be doing her trade psychology class this afternoon. You don't want to miss that. And also, got Steve coming up here in about an hour. That's right. At the end of New York lunch, you can catch Coach Steve giving his morning market analysis. He'll be giving his morning analysis, probably even call a trade or two. So you don't want to miss that. Wow, look at that expansion.
Exit NQ NASDAQ. This
is going to be it for New York lunch. They're going to just start repping this thing into New York lunch. Some volatility. Don't forget, you will have institutional traders stepping in here for the we will have institutional traders stepping up for New York lunch. So you might see some volume kind of evaporate from the market, and maybe some erratic behavior, and that's just retail trading. So trade accordingly. If you've been with us since the morning session, get up, stand up, go get yourself a coffee, a water, get yourself a little breakfast, because you got a whole lot of trading day left. Don't forget, you don't want to miss out on Power Hour with Coach Matt and Coach Becky end of day. And who knows, maybe I'll pop in. Maybe I might just pop in for that afternoon session with them if we've got some action. So, all right, team. As always, have a great and fantastic day. I will be calling the morning show here. Unfortunately, not too great of a morning show. We got a couple of scalps, got some paper cuts in the morning session, but I think we can navigate the waters for the midday session. So, as always, good luck in the market. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. DMs are open if you guys want me to take a look at the chart. And don't forget about those great sales, 50% off. Use that code that pays. All right, team, have a great day. I'll see y'all later.